Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen the classification of activities into transactions and events, the aim of accounting, definition of accounting, accounting cycle, how information is generated, and users of financial statements. Today, let us see the golden rules of accounting. I am Prajakta Kulkarni and let us begin with the concept. Every one of you might have heard this term, golden rules of accounting. Accounts are classified as real, personal and nominal. Real account consists of all assets whether tangible or intangible except debtors. Personal account consists of real person and artificial judicial person created by law. Nominal account consists of all expenses, losses and income gains, recurring expenses and recurring income. Let us take few examples. Say, real account comprises of furniture, machinery, land and building, goodwill, patents, etc. So, any and every asset except debtors. Now, personal account, say Mihika's account, Spruha's account, Anvai's account, Shashwat's account, Joshi and Sons account. Yes, it is an artificial judicial person in the eyes of law. Even your bank account is your personal account. Now let us go to nominal account. Salary paid, office expenses, refreshment expenses, telephone, electricity, repairs, rent paid, rent received, fees received, etc. To sum up, real account all assets except debtors, debtors सोडून सगळ्या assets, वो सारे assets सिवाय debtors, personal account, persons, व्यक्ति, कंपनी, फर्म इत्यादि नावे येतात, इंसानों के नाम, फर्म के नाम, कंपनियों के नाम आते हैं. नॉमिनल अकाउंट, रिकरिंग एक्सपेंसेस, लॉसेस, इनकम, गेन्स, नेहमी होणारे खर्च आणि नेहमी मिळणारं इनकम, बार बार लगातार होने वाले खर्चे और बार बार आने वाला इनकम. Now, as per double entry system, there should be one debit and a correspondent credit. So, we may say that we have debited personal account and credited real account. We may debit real account and credit nominal account. We may debit nominal account and credit personal account. So, debit account can be any real personal nominal account and credit account can also be any real personal nominal account. Let us see what are the rules for debit and credit. The rules are debit receivables, asset, expenses, credit payables, liabilities, income. Debit receivables, asset, expenses, credit payables, liabilities, income. Rules for debit and credit, the golden rules of accounting. As we know, accounts are classified into real, personal and nominal, and further every account have dual effect, that is debit and credit. The golden rule for real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. The golden rule for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. The golden rule for nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. We never open our own account in our books. Now let us take few examples. Purchased mobile and cash for rupees 8,000. Accounts involved mobile account and cash account. What comes in mobile? What goes out cash? Rule debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Entry mobile account debit 8,000 to cash 8,000. Being mobile purchased for cash. Paid rent of rupees 25,000 by check. Accounts involved rent account and bank account. Rent nominal account debit all expenses and losses. Bank account personal account credit the giver. You are the giver. Entry will be rent account debit 25,000 to bank 25,000 being rent paid by check. Purchased stationery of rupees 300 in cash. Accounts involve stationery account and cash account. Stationery is recurring expense, hence it is nominal account. Stationery account debit 300 to cash 300 being stationery purchased for cash. Suyog started business with cash rupees 5 lakhs. Two accounts are involved, cash account and capital account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in, cash comes in. Cash account debit 5 lakh to Suyog's capital account 5 lakh being amount invested in own business. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.